the iconicness associated with Red Lobster. If you're a millennial, you grew up going to a Red Lobster.
Grandparents love this. Grandparents love it.
For chain family style restaurant, the food is like, everybody needs some Red Lobster in life sometimes.
They have great specials, good food.
Yeah, but their decor has just frozen in the 90s, and they really have actually paid the price for it. They've had to close a lot of locations, which kind of sucks. They're really seeing the demise because they have not really changed with the times, which sometimes for food can be good because people want that. What's that?
They're going for the food, not for like the experience and the atmosphere, because at the end of the day, it's so dated and it needs a revamp.
So let's take a quick look at what some of these current Red Lobsters look like.
Exactly like we said, it's dated, probably some stains on those rugs.
Yeah, just that typical like hotel-y, like the booth pattern with the carpet tile. It's just like dark wood, not a lot of light. Like they really need our help.
They're missing the mark and such an opportunity. Like it's such an iconic place.
Yeah.
Fishermen, like you can go so off on this theme, and that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. To start off, we would do just a grass ceiling. Fun, greenery, even like seaweed vibes. But we really want to go crazy kind of with the ceiling decor in this because it's kind of fun. It's fun for kids. They look up and like, you want to see something exciting, right? With that, we're also going to get this rope decor and kind of string some ropes along the ceiling with the grass. And that's just going to create the setting to this experience. These places are so dark. So we really do want to add in as much lighting as possible. So we want these really beautiful rattan pendants. So not only is the shade itself nice and light, but then the light bulb itself is going to create lots of that openness and light. And you guys have to think about restaurants. Some of them are very big, and not every table is beside a window. So when you're in that inner part of the restaurant, it gets very dark. You really want to think about that when you're coming up with your lighting design for a restaurant.
In addition to the lighting, you just really want to brighten up the space. So we have gone with shiplap on all of the walls. So that's classic, on brand for the theme, very beachy feeling, fisherman friendly. And then on top of the shiplap, we're going to just do mirrors all around. It's got this beautiful kind of like beaded accent. Mirrors go a long way, just makes the room look a lot bigger.
Also reflects even more light. So it's just going to additionally help with like brightening things up. Booths. Went with these really interesting gray booths with like sort of a beige cushion. They're wipeable, they're durable, they're good to go for families and kids eating messy food.
So to add in some new color to like a lot of the wood accents as well, we are going to paint this table in the booth. It's a beautiful kind of like baby aqua blue. It's called Picture Perfect by Benjamin Moore. So that will just bring in some color elements and just complement the space there as well. Because in a restaurant, you're not going to do accent pillows. We typically add pops of colors, patterns with those, and it's not really relevant for a restaurant.
Finally, when you're not sitting in a booth, obviously we need some tables. So we just went kind of plain with like a form wood table, and then we went with a rattan chair with a cream seat that's very wipeable and durable as well.
In the previous photo, it had like that dumpy, old looking commercial, no pizzazz rug. So we're gonna totally get that out and just do new vinyl plank flooring, very light, oaky, and just brighten up the space to total it off.
And washable, because like, yeah, how much food is being spilt on that carpet tile that's not getting washed?
Exactly.
So here's what it would look like with all of our changes implemented.
Looks so much better. Now we're ready to all go to Red Lobster.
And introduce Gen Z to Red Lobster, because I don't know that they've really spent much time there.
So if you want to shop any of these items that we just talked about, there is links in the description. Let us know if there is any call outs of spaces, restaurants, areas that we should do next. We love doing these videos for you guys, and make sure to subscribe.